Hi guys, so this is gonna be a bit of a different video, and yeah, I just wanted to share a little review with you guys on a luxury designer shoe that I just purchased. And actually I've been wanting to do a sneaker collection video. Don't get me wrong, I don't have a crazy collection yet, but I've really in the past 3 years just been obsessed with sneakers, and from designer to functional to Nikes to what else, yeah, to Stan Smiths. Yeah, if there's anything new or like cool in the sneaker world or in designer sneakers or functional sneakers, I'm there. But today, you guys, I'm gonna share my review, or yeah, my review on a very popular sneaker that I just recently purchased, and it's a designer sneaker. It's one of the most pricey sneakers in the market. It's the Dior Walk and Dior sneakers and the canvas oblique in navy. Okay, you guys, so this is what, of course, the box looks like, and the exact name for the style is Walk and Dior. It's a Walk and Dior sneakers. It is the oblique embroidered, or I guess oblique embroidery. Now it's usually called in layman's terms, or the way it looks, is navy blue, but it is called 56B deep blue. That's the name of the style. And then my size is, and this is 39.5. Now when you get the box, just the usual stuff. So obviously you're gonna get the authentic card in here. I didn't even open this at all or look at it. Yeah, just an authenticity card. And then of course you get your 2 shoe bags for the pair. So all designer shoes do that, especially the sneakers, because they're just such a big size. You get a bag per shoe. And then I just actually found this. This is an extra pair of laces, and the lace that I have, this one is just in the white. The lace that I have, I'm not going to bring it out anymore, is the navy blue. And one of the reasons why I purchased this shoe also at this time. So without further ado, this is the shoe right here. These are the Dior Oblique Deep Blue Walk and Dior sneakers. Now the reason I purchased this spring 2022 restock is because, you guys, the navy blue lace. In the past restocks, this shoe probably launched, this is not really a new design. I think it's been 3 years. I think 2018 was the first time the Walk and Diors came out. And yeah, when the original, I think, was a bit more white, and then the lace was white as well, and then some restocks didn't have the Christian Dior here. So when I saw this and it was my size, I decided to finally get it, because I've always honestly liked the way it looks. I've always liked the way it looks. I'm a sneaker girl. I'm very casual, so this is definitely something that is up my alley. Yeah, so that's the main reason why I decided to finally purchase it at this time. Also because with designer shoes, usually in a store, they'll probably just have 1 or 2 pairs of my size. And, you know, or usually they'll just have a size run, and they usually sell out very quick. So it's not like you have a lot of these things. That's why they come so in demand, because honestly, stores don't stock 10 million of these shoes. They're not like Birkenstocks or, I don't know, or Crocs, where you have 10 million in the store and you can easily just pick one up. That's why also there's a high demand for them. But anyway, I transgress. So the back has the star, and basically it's just textile. The inside though, you guys, is leather. So here you see it says Christian Dior. So the inside is leather, the outside is a canvas, and then of course the sole is rubber. So it's a multi-material kind of shoe. Now in terms of design, you guys, there's nothing else to say about this. It's classic, right? So the reason why I decided to purchase it as well. But here is something I want to share with the 2 times that I've worn them. There is a break-in period for this shoe. Now, I don't know if maybe I should have gotten a bigger size, but honestly, I tried a size up. Didn't make much of a difference in how it felt. And then a size, 2 sizes up, it felt too big and it didn't look as good anymore. So in terms of how it looks, this one, 39.5, was the best fit in terms of look. But here is a little warning. If you have wide feet, this is not the most comfortable. You have to break this in. And I think even if you don't, because I have a coworker who bought the shoe the same time as I did, and she felt exactly the same, and she doesn't really have wide feet. So this is not the most comfortable. It looks so deceiving because it looks like Converse. It looks like bougie Converse, but I don't know what it is, but the way that the design of the shoe, and also maybe it's something that I'm flat-footed. I don't have the best foot structure, but design-wise, it was just the first day, I think, was the most painful break-in I've ever had. One of the most painful shoe break-ins that I can recall in quite a while, because obviously most of the shoes I wear now are sneakers. So, and I'm so big with comfort. Like if they're not going to be comfortable, forget it. I don't care what brand. That's why I haven't really bought fancy designer shoes or pumps or stilettos in a very long time, because to me now it's comfort is king. Of course I want to look good, but if I'm not comfortable, it's not gonna look good. So on the first day, it was very, very painful, and it wasn't really a certain area of my foot, but I'd have to say that this part, the tongue for my foot, this extended too much. It was cutting me in like my ankle part. I don't know if my ankles are just so fat. Maybe they're fat. Maybe they're fat because I'm fat. But the tongue was cutting through that. I could feel it. It was kind of digging in. So this wasn't immediate. Like maybe 2 hours after 2 hours of wear, I could start feeling discomfort. And the longer, like at 4 hours, it was getting worse. At 6 and at 8, it was just like, it was the way I stood. It was the lack of support. It's really just a shoe to look good in. It doesn't, I'm so used to shoes that have functionality of design that this one is really just all about the brand and the design. So yeah, it's very beautiful. I am keeping it for sure, but that's something to keep in mind. There is a break-in period. The second time it wasn't as painful, so maybe I've just used it twice, so maybe after my 5th wear it'll be the most comfortable thing, because I've seen some people be like, yeah, it's so comfortable, I can't even, you know, but maybe it's just the break-in period that is necessary. But for me, for now, that is just kind of what I want to share with you out there, because I never thought it would be that uncomfortable or it would have that much of a break-in needed. But I will definitely update if necessary, but it definitely is a beautiful shoe. I guess that's about it. That's my little mini first impressions of the Walk-In Dior oblique embroidery in deep blue. So that is about it, you guys. If you guys have this shoe, let me know in the comments down below, and if you guys experienced anything like this as well, or if you've experienced maybe not this shoe but that kind of a break-in with any other designer brands. In terms of other designer sneakers, I have Gucci, Prada, Golden Goose, Alexander McQueen. A few of them I had to break in as well, but this was like far and beyond, and I was so shocked. add that because I really thought they looked the most comfortable of all designer shoes I've ever, you know, purchased. So that is about it, you guys. Let me know down below if you have any thoughts, if you have this shoe, if you've experienced something like that with another designer sneaker. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, press the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it. And I hope you guys have a great day or a great evening.